Hey, this is Canon Vickery, and today I'm going to be doing activity. It's going to be it's going to be activity 4.2. I've already gone through and I've configured this once, so I'm going to walk you through the steps um, that I took. First thing you're going to want to do is open up your your disk management. There's two different ways to do this. Here I'm going to go to Server Manager, Tools, and then go to Computer Management. Let's pull this up a bit. Disk Management, and it brings you here to here. Here we go. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna show this drive here. What you can do, right click it. That's like one of the first steps we're gonna do. We're going to extend the volume, and we are going to extend it by 10 gigabytes or 10,000 megabytes. We'll hit next. Finish. You see here it increased it to about 30, so still 10 unallocated. Now we're going to also shrink it. We're going to shrink it back to the size that it was. So now it's back to 20 gigabytes even, and so that's awesome. Next thing that we're going to do is, normally what would happen is if when you right clicked here you wanted to add a mirror, actually it'd be, well, it's because of kind of how this is already set up. It's kind of messed up some of my other options. Maybe if I don't know if I'll be able to show you completely what's. Oh, maybe if I just go, I should be able to delete that. Oh, sweet, that worked. Now what would normally happen is when we hit add volume, if we wanted to add this, it says it'll convert the basic disk to a dynamic disk, and so we wouldn't want to continue this, so we would hit no. And so next thing that we're gonna do is if we come back to here, if like we look, yeah, we look here, like the RAID 5 is grayed out because we need at least 3 disks with available space for this configuration. And the convert to MRB is grayed out because we need to delete existing volumes first, so we'd have to delete this. We don't want to delete that. And so one other little thing is, in the book, it says I should be doing this on disk 2, but disk 1 is the one that I created. It's just in the way I created it, it kind of messed it up. So for me, I have to switch it from disk 1 and 2. I have to switch them over from what it says in the book. But for you, it should be where your disk 1 is completely unallocated, and your disk 2 will have the NTFS volume. Yeah, that's why it's like that. Next thing that we're gonna do is we're going to come to here, and we would, if I remember right, we'd convert this to a dynamic disk. Disk 2, yep. So now that's dynamic. Then we'd go here, we would add a mirror on disk 2. And it's already dynamic disk, it's already converted. So right now, it's resyncing. Yeah, it's resyncing. And once that gets to 100%, that's all for the, that's strange. I must have messed that up at some point. That's supposed to be H. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, these are supposed to be H. But anyways, that's gonna be all for this. Once this resyncing is done, then you have a mirrored volume between the two. So that's gonna be all for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below.